Craving something delicious and healthy? This frittata recipe with feta cheese takes minutes. Let's dive in. Enjoy your meal. If you love this recipe, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next episode.